Well, lifestyle influencer Carly Ostroff joins us this morning with some gift-giving inspiration. We got lots of gift packs here and specials maybe on Cyber Monday.
Yes, you always got to look. So when it comes to holiday gifting, I really like to start by thinking about hydration, and for that I got this Neutrogena Hydro Boost collection. I'm going to start with this hydrogel cream. If you want to give it a try, it is so lightweight. They've packed it with hyaluronic acid, and so it's
nice and cool.
So cool, and it goes deep into the skin surface layers to give you maximum hydration. So you can see it gives you this really refreshed skin. It's actually a favorite of the Canadian pop star Tate McRae. And then we also have the Hydro Boost serum, which I'm loving.
Okay.
So this one has
my hands are too slippery to use it. So
I'll do it on mine. Sharing is caring. So yes, this one gives 72 hours of clinically proven hydration, and this one is also fragrance-free, so great for sensitive skin types. And we won't try it right now, but we have the hydrogel face mask. This one's made from 100% hydrogel material, so it contours right to the face, so your skin can really soak in all those skincare benefits, like that clinically proven deep hydration.
Now we've got some vitamin C as well.
Yes, after hydration, I like to think about brightening. And this is the Marcel Vitamin C set. So it really has everything to moisturize and nourish the skin, but also brighten it. And so what we have here is a vitamin C cream, an eye cream. We have a cleanser and a moisturizer. And all of these products harness the power of that antioxidant-rich vitamin C with the firming power of peptides. And I love to gift Marcel, because it's a Canadian company, female-founded, and all the products are tested by the Canadian Dermatology Association, so you can feel good that they're safe enough for even the most sensitive skin types.
Okay, we've got hair care.
Holiday hair. So for that, I went with OGX. This is the new Bond Protein Repair Collection, the Hair Hero. So that for me is this hydrating mist, because it repairs and strengthens the hair, and it protects hair from heat damage up to 450 degrees. That's thanks to this very continuous, even and continuous spray. It's super lightweight as well, and all these products work to strengthen and repair the hair from the inside out. That's thanks to this OGX dual-ended technology. And you can see we've really got everything to cleanse, to condition, and style the hair. It's available at Shoppers Drug Mart, and I don't know if it's a coincidence, but these colors are just like perfect for the holidays.
Very cute, very cute. Okay, now we've got some really cool sets from Winners.
Yes, okay. So if you want your holiday gifts and your holiday looks to stand out, you want to go to Winners.
And we want to show this show. This is a showstopper kind of thing.
Okay,
like,
I'm happy you said that.
Hollywood glam, this dress.
So I actually pulled together this look for under $100. And when you go in store at Winners, you're going to find those fabulous, high-quality designer pieces, but without the premium price tags. So it makes holiday shopping really feel like a joy. And they've got everything from the holiday looks to these gift sets. I got this bag set. I have winter wear accessories. And you're not getting those premium price tags. You know, it is the season, of course, for those joyful savings.
Right. And this is just so retro and so cool looking. Two pieces, there's a skirt and a blouse.
Yeah, and every time you go in store, it's always going to be a little bit different, but you can always find those great designer pieces at an affordable price point.
Okay, and textile, or texture is a big thing, right?
Big thing in accessories.
Keep purse.
I've been doing the same. And I love the bow here too. Sheer, we're seeing sequins, so really great to find those on-trend pieces.
Yeah, whatever makes you happy.
Yes.
Okay, thanks very much. We've got all your links up on our website at chch.com.